If you're thinking about investing in PromoRepublic for landing page creation, there are a few things you absolutely need to know before making that decision. Stick around, because we're diving into the essential points that will help you determine if it's the right tool for your business, especially when compared to other top competitors in the market. First off, PromoRepublic offers an all-in-one platform for creating landing pages, but it's not as specialized as some of the other landing page builders out there. While tools like Unbounce or Lead Pages focus solely on landing pages, PromoRepublic is a more general marketing platform, which means it's not going to have the same level of depth for landing page optimization. That said, if you're looking for an all-encompassing tool with social media management and marketing features, PromoRepublic might still be appealing. Next, it's important to note that PromoRepublic's drag-and-drop editor is beginner-friendly, making it easier for those who aren't tech-savvy to build landing pages. However, compared to more advanced editors, like those from Wix or Webflow, it's a bit limited when it comes to customizing design elements to the extent that professionals might expect. For marketers who want deep design flexibility, there might be better options out there. The third thing you should know is that PromoRepublic comes with pre-built templates, which can save you a lot of time. However, these templates are somewhat generic and may not always be the best fit for a brand that wants to stand out with a truly unique landing page. Other platforms, like InStagepage, provide highly customizable templates with more focus on conversion optimization, which could give your landing page an edge in a crowded market. Now, one of the main selling points of PromoRepublic is its social media features. It integrates well with platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, which makes it easier to promote your landing pages. But this can also be a downside if your focus is purely on landing page creation. Tools like GetResponse or MailChimp offer similar integrations, but also specialize in email marketing and sales funnels, offering more comprehensive solutions for growing your business. The fifth thing to consider is PromoRepublic's analytics dashboard, which gives you basic insights into your page's performance. However, when compared to competitors like Lead Pages or Unbounce, the analytics feel somewhat limited. Both of those offer more robust A/B testing and tracking features that can help optimize your landing pages for conversions. Next, PromoRepublic offers a free trial, but there are some limitations on the features you can access without upgrading to a paid plan. It's important to understand that while this free trial can give you a taste of what the platform offers, you won't get the full experience unless you're willing to pay for the premium features. Other platforms, such as InStagepage or Thrive Architect, tend to offer more comprehensive trial options. The seventh point is that PromoRepublic has a solid customer support team available through live chat, email, and a help center. While their support is generally responsive, it doesn't quite measure up to the more personalized support that you get from platforms like Lead Pages or Unbounce, where dedicated account managers can help with strategy and optimization. Another consideration is PromoRepublic's pricing. It's relatively affordable when compared to other all-in-one marketing tools, but if your main goal is landing page optimization, you might find better value in platforms like Unbounce or InStagepage, which focus specifically on that aspect. The ninth thing to know is that PromoRepublic doesn't offer as many integrations with third-party tools as some other platforms. While it does connect with social media platforms and some essential marketing tools, if you need more niche integrations, you might run into limitations. Competitors like Wix and WordPress are known for their extensive app stores and integrations with third-party tools, which can be a game changer if you rely on specialized tools for your business. Next, PromoRepublic provides automatic backups for your landing pages, which is a nice feature in case anything goes wrong. But when it comes to overall security, the platform doesn't stand out as much as others, like Shopify or WordPress, which offer robust security features and higher-level data protection. The 11th thing is that PromoRepublic's landing page builder works well for simple, straightforward pages. But if you're looking to build highly complex landing pages with advanced features like pop-ups, animations, or custom scripts, you may find PromoRepublic lacking. More specialized tools like Webflow give you complete creative freedom for more complex builds. Finally, PromoRepublic can be a great option if you're looking for a simple, low-cost landing page